How to report inventory in TurboTax for resellers. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can report inventory in TurboTax for resellers. For this, you want to sign into your TurboTax account. Now head over to Schedule C. For this, you can search for Schedule C and click on the Jump to link. If you are new to this section, TurboTax will ask info about your business first. Then they will ask you if you have any business-related expenses. Answer yes. Otherwise, select Review next to your business and then select Add Expenses for this work button. When you get to the first select the expenses you had screen, scroll down and select either supplies or inventory. If you don't have inventory but want to report materials and supplies as COGS, select inventory and then enter 0 for both beginning and ending inventory values. Now follow the on-screen instructions to completion. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.